I bought every mystery slime that I could find on the internet, and they were surprisingly really hard to find. I don't know what I'm gonna get, and I'm hoping that there's gonna be some good ones in there. Today we're gonna be unboxing them, and let's get started. Okay, you guys, here's the first one, and this is supposed to be a glow-in-the-dark color reveal slime. I don't know why they called it color reveal. I feel like it sounds like a gender reveal or something. So there should be two in here. I will guess pink and blue, because those are my favorite colors. Is it supposed to glow into a color, or is it just white? Okay, we'll see. And the second one is, oh, it's pink. This is kind of like a melony pink. This is cute. All right, I'm curious to see what it looks like when it's glowing. To get the most glow out of your slime, expose your slime 3 to 5 minutes in direct sunlight.
This is the sun, we don't have an actual, it's dark outside.
Okay. Guys, this isn't working. Okay, so we couldn't really get it to glow in here. I think there's just too many lights. Probably gonna have to put it under some UV lights or in the sun for 5 minutes, so we'll insert some footage if they actually do glow and work. This is a little sticky, but honestly, it's not so bad. I don't know about the smell. What does it smell like? It doesn't smell that good. Honestly, okay, for $12, this is kind of small. Maybe this one is better, this white one. It looks like a lychee jelly. Oh my god, wait, this is the exact same shape as a lychee jelly cup. You guys ever have those? Still smells a little bit like dumpster, but and same texture. We've got a clear slime, but I'm so disappointed. Why is it just white? This is supposed to be a color reveal. White isn't a color. Okay, so here are our two slimes. The more I play with these, the more I kind of like them. So since these are supposed to be glow-in-the-dark slimes, let's set them out in the sun to see if they can absorb enough light. And in the meantime, we'll open some more slimes. All right, we've got this next one from eBay, and it's apparently called Amazing Mystery Slime Box with Add-ins. It's a very creative name, I love it. Put a lot of thought into that one. We got Mike and Ike. Am I supposed to eat these or am I supposed to put these in my slime? I love the handwritten touch. Oh, cute. Okay, this looks like some kind of pina colada. Oh, we got some deodorant. Okay, what is this? Sippy candy in straw pop. I've never seen this before. Oh, okay, I see. There's a little handle at the bottom. It's supposed to be like a popsicle. Okay, there's... Let me just dump this out so you guys can see. There are a total of 5 packing peanuts. Wait, can I Sharpie faces onto them? Since there's so little packing peanuts, I feel like they're included like little friends, you know? All right, here's our package. And let's look at the rest. Oh, this is so cute. Is this a Rubik's Cube? I think it's meant to be a puzzle. Okay, here are our slimes. Let's start with this tiny one. Ooh, it's like wet. It's not wet, it's oily. Andrea just said that it might be scent oil. It's not scent oil. It just smells like glue. It's just blue and purple, and I don't know how I feel about the texture. This is a 3 out of 10. It's cute though. Like, I like the color and I like the packaging, but it does not feel good to play with. It feels like chewed food that you put back into the fridge and you took back out because it's kind of cold and wet, but it has a cute little unicorn on top, so maybe it's like unicorn vomit. Thinking of it that way, maybe it makes it a little bit better, honestly. Let's try our first sauce cup. This is like, oh, interesting. Okay, this really reminds me of a fan mail slime. This is exactly the same texture you guys send us. Honestly, okay, it's not too bad. It's like if you melted a whoopee cushion. Yeah, I don't know. I also don't really like this. It also just does feel not that satisfying to play with. It does feel a little bit on the grosser side. Next up is this magenta and purple one. I like the color combination. Oh, okay. This is a little bit weird. There's like green and yellow inside this. I thought it would just be purple and magenta. What is this? Ooh. Oh, okay. It's a heart with like a little handle and a bow. This is cute. It was buried though. The slime itself, let's see. Okay. Honestly, okay, this is the best one that I've tried so far from this package. It's a little bit mushy. Oh, okay, it's got the same wet residue. But it feels better. It doesn't feel as gross. It reminds me of if a Peachybbies butter slime mixed with jelly got wet and got put in the fridge. But I think it's still pretty cute. I like the color. It reminds me of Ditto the Pokemon. This gets a 6.5 out of 10. These both get 4 out of 10. But we still have one more left to judge, which is this yellow one. Kind of reminds me of like pudding. What is this texture? Oh, okay. It's very like jiggly. They definitely have a lot of water inside their recipe here, and it's a little bit hard not to have it stick to my hand. Oh, is there something inside? There's a charm. Okay, I don't like how the charms are already inside because they're just going to sink and do this. What is this? It's a pineapple. Maybe I'll name this pineapple pudding. I'll give it like a 7.5 out of 10. No scent, but it doesn't smell bad. Okay, so what's in the rest of the mystery box? We've got honey peach hand cream. This is kind of cute. I like it. Should I use this? I'm gonna use it. Thank you for the hand cream. Okay, it smells good. It smells like peach. Everything else here is unscented, but I like it. Mike and Ike, I'm not really a fan of these candies, so I'm gonna skip on this. I think it's cute though. This puzzle thing, can I take this apart? It's Tetris! Oh my gosh. All right, I took it apart. Someone else can put it back together. Our packing peanut family of 5 can chill in my pineapple pudding. Let's get on to the next slime. All right, next up is used luxury mystery slimes. Okay, so it looks like these are from Peachybbies. So these are some old Peachybbies slimes. Ooh, what happened to this poor lavender cow? And then we have a used watermelon juice cubes one. Oh, why does it look so bad? What did they do? Okay, honestly, texture-wise, it's still not bad. It just looks a little bit ugly. They didn't even squish the cubes. Okay, but apparently this was $30 for used slime. I don't know why. Used slime should be $30.
It's kind of a ripoff.
It is a ripoff, but I do appreciate that they left the jelly cubes intact, and it still smells like watermelon. That's not so bad. It's like 7 out of 10. This one, ultimate B-Day cake. Ooh, so it smells like cake. And this is a butter slime, I'm guessing.
So that one's supposed to come with a clay kit, and it looks like the clay is like half mixed in.
Yeah, they didn't mix it all the way, so there's still some left for me to mix together. Although I don't like the idea of it being a used slime. I don't know where the other person's hands have been, because clearly something happened to this one. Lavender cow. I love how you can tell that someone already poked their fingers into this one. I have my gloves on. Ew, what is this? Ew. What? Should I even be touching this? That is gross. Okay, it still smells like lavender. Okay, I do like that it smells like lavender. I don't like whatever happened to this slime. This is a crime. It's a felony. That's enough. That's enough. All right, next one. Next one. No more. Next up is Mystery Mini Crunch Bombs. I like the name of it. What do we have here? Oh, wait, these are cute. Cake batter. And is this slime? Clear slime with these little jelly charms in it? I have high hopes. I think this is really cute looking. Oh, okay. It's coming out a little stringy on top. This package did leave a note saying that it might be a little deactivated due to Texas heat, so I won't be too harsh if it is a little deactivated. I think they did include a bit of borax. Oh yeah, this is borax. So if I need to fix it a little bit, we have what we need. I love these little foam beads. Oh, it doesn't smell like cake though. It's supposed to be cake batter. It smells like hand soap. But for a slime itself, I actually really like it. I like the texture. I kind of wish it was a cuter color, but I do understand it's supposed to be cake batter. All right, this is the best one so far. And I do like this little jar. I think it's cute. And let's try this one. Ooh, okay, yeah, that is a little bit deactivated. Oh, but look at this grape. It's so cute. Oh, it's so sticky. Let's try using this tiny little Ziploc of borax. Just a tiny bit, maybe it might help. Oh yeah, it is so deactivated. Oh, okay, I was expecting these charms to be like squishies. They are just the hard plastic kind, which is a little bit disappointing. It does need a little activator, maybe more than a little bit. We'll just use our own activator. Mystery Crunch Bomb. So this is supposed to be crunchy. Oh, but even if I start mixing it with the activator, it's not gonna be clear anymore. Gonna be a little cloudy. I do think it's cute. I like the idea. This slime, I'm a fan of. This one, maybe not so much.
Oh my
All right, let's look at the next one then. Okay, for a low price of $9.99, we have a mystery scented slime. So let's see. Oh, okay. It's just white. Look, there's more packing peanuts this time, more than 5. Let's go. All right, this one says marshmallow fluff. So I'm guessing it smells like marshmallow? That's cute. Oh, it smells so good. I really like it. This is so good. I would buy this as a candle. Ooh, and I love the texture. This is the best slime so far. This does say inflatable slime, so as I play with it, it should inflate and get floofier. I like this. This texture is so good. It reminds me of our butter slimes. This was worth the $10, I think, especially for advertising that it's a scented mystery slime. I don't know. I feel like this gets a 10 out of 10. I like it. Let's look at the next slime. All right, the next one apparently is called 2 Slime Mystery Box, Amazing Slimes to Make You Say Tingle. Best slimes, wow. Okay, let's see if it makes me tingle.
That's a big name to live up to.
That is a big name to live up to. Ooh, we're already tingling. It's so cute. It's like a little birthday cake all smashed up and thrown up. Oh, cute. Okay, beads. What is this? It's like a fortune cookie. Okay, it's just instructions. But I wished it told me how the rest of my year would go. That would be fantastic. And this one's looking a little bubbly, but I like the color and some extra charms. Let's try out this little birthday cake looking slime. Oh, it's so deactivated. Ah, no. It feels like I'm adding in eye drops. Oh my gosh. Let's try to mix that activator in. Honestly, I like the texture of the little beads in here. This isn't bad. It's not bad. The color is a little questionable. I don't know. I'm just not a fan of like just slightly off skin colored slimes. Tingle rating 7 out of 10. Not bad. Not bad. I do like the texture. Okay, what is this? All right. Got some little crystallizing action here. I love the smell of this. It smells like melted Starbursts.
It's like Baja Blast.
Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna name this Baja Boom. Baja? Just a little bit more activator in here. Take it out and see how it is. Okay, it's not coming out really well. I am trying my best. There's little like jelly crystals. I don't know what these are. If it weren't coming off into my hands, it'd actually be a kind of nice texture. I really like the smell though. That's probably the best part of it. I don't know, 5 out of 10. But at least we do get these cute little charms, and I'm guessing something will be here to make me tingle. Let's just put these all into here. Oh wait, this is so cute. I love the color combo. We got some sparkly seashell, sparkly seashells, and these purple glass beads. All right. It's fun. Honestly, this is fun. This is fun. Okay, it's a little oversaturated. Put this all in there. And here is our new crunchy Baja slime. Not bad, not bad. All right, I think we're ready to move on to the next one. Okay, so we're back to these glow-in-the-dark slimes, and we discovered something new. So we set it out for a little bit in the sun. They didn't really do much, but we did find a UV light, and check this out. You know, I said I thought this was disappointing because it was just white. Wow! It's blue! It's periwinkle! That's crazy. So this is apparently what it's supposed to look like when it's glowing in the dark. I'm pretty impressed. Wait, I was right. I guessed pink and blue, and it's pink and blue. Yes, all right. Whatever I rated it, I give it like 1 point higher now that I see that it glows. Anyways, just wanted to show you what it looked like when it was glowing and that this is actually a really cute color. Ready to move on to our final slime. Okay, our last one is apparently called the Ultra Rare Mystery Slime Box. I'm guessing I have great luck with this loot. All right, we've got some Powerpuff Girl colors here. I think it's pretty cute. Oh wait, there's actually so many in here. Wow, this is a lot. And then it also comes with little activator pens. Wow. Let's get to opening these. I love how they bubble wrap them all individually. Start with this pink one. This is our lineup of our ultra rare mystery slimes, our special loot box. Let's start with the matcha tea cake. I love matcha so much. I'm a little bit disappointed that they did not get a matcha color because no matcha is this color, okay? It's crunchy. I guess it's meant to be like cake crumbs. I'm hoping it's intentional. There's like solid bits in here. That doesn't smell like matcha, it smells like cake. This is what that other cake slime should have smelled like. Okay, next up is Sweet Dreams. This is so cute. Okay, this is like my favorite color combination. It's so fluffy. Wait, they actually made a really good cloud slime. Not a fan of the smell. It smells like generic soap bar, but I do like the texture and the colors. It is so pretty. Wow. So cute. It's like if our lavender cow was still alive. I'll give this a 8.5 out of 10. I just wish it didn't smell like bar soap. Moving on to the next one, we have Cherry Freezy, and it's this gradient between red and orange, which I really like. Oh. Oh.
Popsicle.
I think they messed up when they're packing it. There's like one single sprinkle of a rose on the side. I don't think it's meant to be there. Oh, wait, okay, there are more charms. I don't know why all the sprinkles here are flowers when the cup has cherries and mangoes, and it's called Cherry Mango Freezy, and then there's just like roses and flowers. But I do like the gradient. It's like red to orange, and this is honestly a nice jelly texture. But I'm so confused. Same thing with the matcha. Why doesn't it smell like matcha? This, I think it still smells more like soap. But not bad, not bad. This is also kind of like a 7 out of 10. On to the next one, this pink one, Pink Beach. They have a pretty realistic looking conch shell in it. And let's see the slime itself. It is also pretty good in texture. It smells kind of strawberry-like. Yeah, it smells like strawberries. I like it, and it feels also kind of like a mix between jelly and something else. It's a little bit overactivated, but I think it's fine. But it's a cute color, has a cute shell, pretty simple. And I'm guessing for these will be pretty similar. This is called Blue Milk. Oh, this is an interesting texture actually. This is kind of like a thick and glossy, but with more water. And this one is Fairy Bread. What texture is this? Oh, these scents don't match. It smells like a sour candy. Why is it called Fairy Bread? But also pretty simple. Okay, since these three are pretty simple, comment below if you want to see me remake them to actually match their theme. Because right now, I think they're a little bit boring. Okay, after unboxing all of these slimes, some of them were a hit, but some of them were a miss. You never know what you're gonna get with these mystery boxes. But if you want to see me do it again, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.